Hi everyone, I want to go over how to do the second part of the peer review. So this is what you'll be doing once the evaluation period begins, which is now. So in Mod 4 we have the peer review. We'll scroll down to where it says peer review. This is the document, and here is the peer review section. So you'll click on that link, and if you've submitted your plot diagram, what you'll see here are the evaluations. So you should see yourself and another person. So in order to do the evaluation, you'll be clicking on the person. So here, I have the instructions that you've seen before. This is the information that I asked you to upload with the plot diagram. And here is the submission. So in this text box right here, you should see a file with the plot diagram. Okay, so you'll be reviewing that against these questions. So for the evaluator, please review the paragraph explanation, please review the diagram. And then give feedback to your peer based on the following questions. Which stage of the story is the strongest? What do you like about it? What stage of the story needs more work? What would make it stronger? What about the rising or falling action catches your attention in a good way? Are there details that you are curious about that the writer might include? Does the rising action lead clearly and interestingly to the climax? Is the climax of the story a believable and meaningful moment of change for the characters? And down here I have examples of the kind of feedback that you can write. So for this question, which stage of the story is the strongest? What do you like about it? So an example response to that would be the exposition is the strongest because I have a clear understanding as to the promise of the story, who is in the story, where the story is located, etc. I like the detailed descriptions of blank because they help me visualize what I'm reading. So here, maybe someone really put interesting descriptions of the characters. Like you really get a sense of who the people are, not just saying, I was a 16-year-old kid, you're saying, I was a 16-year-old kid who was really naive. I've never really left the neighborhood until ... whatever the story is. Or you could say, you could describe how you looked. Unlike now, I had very short hair, and I wore glasses, and I wore my brother's hand-me-downs, or something like that. So just give some more detailed to give a better sense of the characters. And then once you put that here, so you can put your feedback here. Again, it's Blackboard, so I say use another writing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs or Pages or even Notes to write your responses, and then copy and paste into this box, and then you would save and submit, and then you would click submit, and then you are done with the assignment.